Industrial netting was approached by ISRI in the summer of 2003, and ISRI called us looking for a solution for a new federal regulation that was implemented by the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Administration that required all crushed and flattened vehicles to have some sort of containment to contain loose debris. ISRI called us, asked us if we could send them some samples of some material, and working with them, we developed a product which we now call CargoNet. The DOT has very specific rules and regulations for the securement and containment of flattened and crushed vehicles during transportation. Vehicles used to transport flattened or crushed vehicles must be equipped with a means to prevent loose parts from falling from all four sides of the vehicle, which extends to the full height of the cargo. The use of synthetic material for containment of loose parts is permitted.
There are two primary methods for using CargoNet. Most of the haulers that we see will use one of two methods to wrap their loads. The most common is to wrap individual bundles, where a bundle of 3 or 4 or 5 crushed cars will be wrapped on the ground with netting, and then that wrapped bundle will be placed on the flatbed trailer, secured with tie downs, and hauled to the shredding facility. The second method that we see is with wrapping full trailers. In those cases, before the tie downs are put in place, the load is wrapped with a large roll of plastic netting. Typically, they'll start wrapping on one side of the trailer, near the front of the cab, wrap all the way around to the other side, and secure that netting to the base of the trailer. Then the tie downs are used to secure the netting to the rest of the load and hold the netting in place and secure the load to the bed of the trailer. CargoNet is made from polypropylene, so it is fully recyclable. We've actually made CargoNet to be a one-time use disposable netting. It's lightweight, so it's easy to apply. When the load is taken to the shredder, it will shred easily. During the recycling process, we provide the only extruded and oriented plastic netting that has integral joints. That means the joint itself will not move, it will not stretch, and it will not allow the netting to pull itself apart with use. So a 1/4-inch opening net remains a 1/4-inch opening net. There are knitted products on the market that are made of knitted polypropylenes. Those products are typically configured for other applications, such as wrapping pallets of fresh produce or wrapping bales of hay. We don't recommend hay bale for crushed car containment. The problem that we run into with hay bale is that it's as strong as CargoNet in the long direction, but when it's pulled in the horizontal direction, it will shred. CargoNet provides complete coverage of the load to prevent parts and debris from falling off during transportation. The primary purpose of using a netting containment system around any kind of load is to prevent debris from falling onto the highway during transportation. CargoNet is lightweight and easy to use. It's easy to wrap around the full load, and because of the integral structure of the joints, you don't have to worry about small parts falling between the strands.
The product is available in a variety of sizes. It can be different widths from 56 to 84 to 102, or even 1/68 and 204 inches wide. The lengths can be any size the customer would like: 1,000s, 2,500s, even 5,000 feet. In fact, these rolls that are converted into small sizes are very lightweight. For example, a 84-inch by 1,000-foot roll weighs only 50 pounds. We custom convert to any size and turn the order very quickly. Customers who wrap bundles appear to prefer 84s and 56-inch wide rolls. Customers that wrap stacks of crushed cars prefer to use the 102s or 168-inch wide rolls.
Orange is the most visible color that we can use on this product. And visibility is important. not necessarily to the user, but to law enforcement officers. If the cargo net is visible, a law enforcement officer is less likely to stop that truck to ensure that it is properly contained. Because it is a one-time use, essentially eliminates maintenance. Those haulers that are using multi-sided trailers or using some kind of reusable netting have to incur the maintenance cost of either repairing those sides of the trailer or repairing the netting so they can get multiple uses. Cargo net is made to be disposable, and it's economically priced so that the hauler doesn't have to worry about trying to recover that net.
Before we used cargo net, we tried some other material, and the openings were anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches, unlike the 1/4 inch that we use with cargo net. And we've had material fall off loads and DOT problems. With cargo net, we haven't had any issues.
We've had great experience with putting cargo netting on. It's safe, fast. We recommend it to others all the time.
Our on-time service averages 99.7%. So we have very happy customers.
The customers have been very pleased with the performance of the product and the service that we've been able to provide the industry. And to us, that's what it's all about.